morning. Just another quick tip with Bill this morning. We pride ourselves consistently better service. That's what we named the company after. And part of that is when we come to the job site, your home, commercial building, whatever, we want to be totally prepared for whatever you need. We don't want to make an excuse, oh, we don't stock that part, we need to order it, we'll be back in 3 weeks or anything else. We want to solve your problem quickly. So part of that is having a service truck that we have everything that we need at our fingertips. The truck is big enough to carry all the parts. We have RO filters for different brand units, and for everything that we sell are completely stocked on the truck. We have toolboxes with miscellaneous parts for fleck water softeners, one other brand also, and then obviously all the equipment that we sell. We carry complete control valves. In case we can't solve the problem at your house within the 30 minutes or so that we've allotted to take care of it, we will put a brand new controller in so that you have soft water inside the house, and we'll take the old one back to the shop, troubleshoot it, and then bring it back to you. We want to get you back to soft water as quickly as possible because we know your time is valuable also. All plumbing parts. Sometimes we get to a house and it's got, the loop is made out of copper, out of PEX, out of a different material. We stock a lot of plumbing parts so that we're able to complete the job also. So you want to know a little bit more about us, visit our website or give us a call, but when we roll up to your house, we want you to be confident we're going to take care of your problem. Thank you.